Want to make your SwiftUI list stand out? See how in today's tutorial. This is what we will create today. So if I select or click on one of the list rows, you'll see it is highlighted. To achieve that functionality, we need to first declare an @state variable called selected item. And the purpose of that variable is to track the selected item within the list, and that's a string data type. And then we need to define our array, which is the elements that we want to be in our list. So at the moment, the array includes 3 elements. And then we need to loop through our list. And then with each iteration, we retrieve the array element and display the array element within the text field. We then add a bit of padding to the text field. And then to change the background color of the text view, we use the following, which is .background self.selected item is equal to item. So if the item has been selected, that means the background will be blue. When it's not selected, it is clear background. And then we just add 8 for the corner radius to have curvy corners. And then on lines 24, we set the text color to white. So if the item is selected, it is white. Else, if it's not selected, the text item, the caption, will be black. And then finally, we just add our navigation title. Want to build your own Connect4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. Make the language translator functional. The first thing we need to do is register for an API key. In this lesson, we will create the downloading translation view. So within the application, when the user enters the text that they want to be translated, for example, if I enter hello, and I want that to be translated from English to Spanish, when I click on translate, you'll see a view above here, which will display the word downloading. Learn to build a language translator apps with SwiftUI Master UI Design, API integration, and hands-on projects. Enroll now and start building. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next week.